Okay, recently I started to try to add some new products. Part of the reason is some of the older products, I got the supplies from China and the supply is running low. I try to get them from Alibaba, but it seems like if you're operating from the overseas base, it's going to be difficult. So I'm trying to do some new products and I want to show you. This is my Etsy page and this is the store. So you go to your store here. Now you see that I haven't got a lot of sales lately, but that's okay. I have a whole bunch of things that are actually expiring. This product, the phone magnifier, is the best seller. But for this one, it is actually selling so well because of my short supply. I have to raise the price. I have to change the price so that honestly people don't buy as quickly. I wish I have a lot and I wish I can just reduce the price, but I can't. So one of the things I'm trying to do is to have some US supplies of goods. One of them is a wall calendar. The wall calendar I'm trying to sell, so far nothing have sold. I've dropped the price to $5 and I will show you the results. The other one that I'm doing is AI photoshopping. I want to provide service to people who have needs to get their pictures cleaned or maybe have old picture restoration, remove background, and so on and so forth. So I put some products. Let me show you. I put all of them on ads. So the Etsy ads, right now I have this many products. I have the magnifier on. The revenue was $55. The spend was $13. So this is very good. Obviously, my thumbnail worked, and out of 2,600 views, 46 clicks, 1.8% click rate, 2 orders. Because I can set the price really high, right? Now the other one I'm not so lucky. I have these 2 calendars, 180 views. So out of the gate, you see that the number of views is low. And the click rate, this is 3. So this is definitely more promising. 1.7% click rate is not that bad. However, the number of views is bad. So I probably have this in the wrong category. I put it in wall calendar, and now I'm trying to put it into the planner category. So I made a duplicate of this product. It's very easy to copy a product. You just need to pay like 20 cents, very small fee. I made a duplicate of this product, and this one has got 27 views, 27 impressions. So the impression count, I think, is definitely better. I think I'm doing the right thing by going to the right category, but I don't have a lot of data. So right now I'm struggling to get a new product online. 180, 36. One of the things I did is actually to run a sale. I not just want to reduce the price, but I also want the sales to become another reason why people might want to click. Right now I'm really doing studying. I'm studying the market to see whether there are a lot of people interested in this, to see whether they are just inhibited by price or something. So right now I'm pulling out all my stops, and this is one thing that you should do, right? To run sales, you just go to sales and discounts. You can run different kinds of sales and discount. You can just run a sale. You set up time and whatever, and that's how you do it. The Etsy ads is pretty straightforward. Uh, you can decide which items to run the ads. Like I mentioned before, the Etsy ads does not charge you for the impressions, for the views. They only charge you when somebody spends the money. So this is really humane. I think it's very good for small-time sellers. One of the things, if you want to have a successful store, is make sure that you have endless supplies. And number two is you need to have some good pricing. If you cannot control the pricing, then it's not good, right? That's basically the gist of things. Oh, the other thing I did is I also changed my a banner. I changed the banner to make it bigger. You can edit your shop banner anytime. You can edit everything. So you can go edit shop and you can edit everything on the fly. Keep that in mind. And overall, this shop has, I wouldn't say it's a money maker because I have sold 210 sales. I don't know why the review just suddenly got to 3 because a guy said that a product I shipped to him is broken. Anyways, at this point, I don't really care that much. For this particular reviewer, I did get back to him. I said I can do a replacement. So in any case, I think anybody can be successful, but not many people can find the right product, can have the right supplies. If I have a relative in China who can send me those kind of things all the time, I would be in Etsy heaven. But I don't. So you have to make do. The products, you can make copies of them. Let me show you how to make copies. Very easy. Go to the shop manager section is to go to the listings, go to the product, and say I want to create a copy. Then there will be a separate copy. Now I believe that Etsy actually want you to do this because of course it's not good to have the same product listed over and over, but for the same product you can change its category so that the advertising is in a different section. This is where you play the tricks and you find out which market sector has the best speed, and then you probably dump some other products to focus on this one. Okay, I hope this is useful. Thank you very much and good luck. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section, send me messages. I will reply them in due time. Thank you.